I'm going to show you how to change YouTube channel name because I want to change my YouTube channel name. Bear in mind that you can do this every 90 days. So you cannot keep changing your YouTube channel name, guys. It's very important that you don't change it too often because you're gonna confuse your subscriber. They're going to search for your name and then your name is not there. So you will lose a lot of subscriber if you keep changing your YouTube channel name. So basically you want to log in, just go to YouTube, make sure you're logged in to your YouTube account and then click this icon here. After that you want to click on YouTube Studio right here. After that, on the left hand side you will see customization. Click on it and just scroll a little bit down. You will see your name right there. That's your YouTube channel name. So my YouTube channel name is kind of too long. I want to change it to maybe Hey Eddie. As simple as that. Make sure your YouTube channel name is short and your subscriber can remember it easily. And also this channel is not going to talk about just crypto. We're going to talk about other things, about life, about me and other men in general, okay guys, and how I overcome my problems, how to do marketing, how to make money online in general. So it's gonna be more generalized channel. It's not going to talk about just crypto though. I'm gonna change this, the hashtag as well. I think it's not available. Yeah, I knew it. Let's change it to official. This is gonna be the hardest one. Okay, Hey Eddie official. This is a, so I'm gonna change my description as well. You can change it. For mobile phone, you can do the same, guys. You can just open up your phone and then you can customize your channel as well. This is a channel, make money online channel and self improvement. Okay, I'm gonna keep it simple and just click on publish, and we'll see if whether our channel name. Okay, so it will ask you to verify yourself.